Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming power and camera access. Night mode won't engage in low power mode. Next, open the camera app and observe the night icon when lighting is low. Tap that icon to switch between auto and manual exposure. Once done, drag the exposure slider to increase or decrease the capture time. Make sure you hold steady or mount the phone. This first action controls sharpness and noise before you move into composition. Now refine exposure and composition. You tap the exposure slider and select a capture time, shorter for moving subjects, longer for static scenes, so you balance motion and light. Next, lock AE/AF with a long press on your subject so the camera holds focus and brightness while the timer runs. If you plan heavy editing, enable Pro RAW, otherwise HIF is smaller and faster. Once you frame and lock, gently press the shutter. Finish by taking the shot and immediately reviewing critical areas at full size. You should check for noise, motion blur, and accurate exposure. If details look soft, reduce exposure time or switch to a more stable support. Make sure image stabilization is on and close background apps if the camera feels sluggish. If night mode still fails to activate, restart the phone and confirm camera permissions and low power mode are off. This usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.